Imagine teaching a British guy how to say abeg, how far, or earning $20 an hour just speaking Yoruba or Igbo to someone in Canada. Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's not. People in Nigeria are already making dollars doing this, and in today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can start. Stick around because I'm sharing insider tips to get your first students and double your income even as a beginner. So by the end of this video, you will know the best platforms for online tutoring, how to create a profile that stands out, and how to set your rates to attract high-paying students. I will even share a secret hack to earn more than most tutors on these platforms, so you do not want to skip ahead. First off, let's talk about why teaching languages online is such a big deal right now. Yes, English is the world's most in-demand language, and guess what? Nigerians speak some of the clearest, most neutral English accents out there. So this is a huge advantage for you. But it's not just about English. People are paying top dollar. People are paying high amounts of money to learn Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, and even Pidgin. Yes, Pidgin. There are some cultural enthusiasts, researchers, or even foreigners who are married into Nigerian families and who want to learn these languages. Yes, so if you speak a Nigerian language fluently, you are sitting on a money-making skill. Now let's do something fun, okay? Quick question. What is the funniest thing someone has said about the way you speak? Drop it in the comments. I would like to hear your stories. I'm sure you want to know how you turn your language skills into dollars. It's simple. Sign up on platforms where students are already searching for tutors. Here are the best ones for Nigerians. The first one is Prepel. Yes, Prepel is perfect for teaching English or local languages. So you just create a profile, upload a short video introducing yourself, and set your hourly rate. Most tutors start at $10 to $150 an hour, but with experience, you can go higher. Now, here is a hack. When creating your intro video, smile and speak slowly. Yes, students want friendly and easy to understand tutors. A tutor I know went from 0 students to fully booked in a week by doing this. So do not take this hack lightly. The second platform is italki. Yes, I know it sounds funny, but this one's great for teaching English or any other language you know. It's super beginner friendly and students can book you directly from your profile. They also let you decide your rates and your schedule. Okay? Now the third platform is Tutoring. If you are looking for something made for Nigerians, Tutoring is your best bet. It connects you with students both locally and abroad. Yes, so you can even teach subjects beyond languages. Now the step-by-step process is very easy. Trust me, now that you know the platforms, I'll break down the exact steps to get started. First step, go to the website of your choosing. You choose one of the websites. If you want to sign up for all 3 websites, feel free. Now fill in your details and upload your profile picture. Keep it professional but approachable. Okay? Step number 2, create an intro video. This is super important. In your video, introduce yourself, explain what you teach, why students should choose you, all of that stuff. For example, you can say, "Hi, I am Tunde and I teach Yoruba. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve, I make learning fun and easy." See, done. That's simple. You do not have to do anything extra, okay? Just create an intro video that is very simple. This is very important. Now, the third step is to set your rates. If you are just starting, keep your rates low, competitive at least, around probably $5 to $12 an hour. Then when you have built your portfolio, you've gotten a lot of reviews, you can now charge more. This is so that you can get a lot of reviews, you want to build your reviews, and then when you build your reviews, you can charge as much as you like. But since you're just starting out, keep your rates competitive. Okay. Step number 4, get your first student. Yes, so use the platform's tools to promote your profile. And here is a cheat code: message potential students directly with a friendly note. It increases your chances of getting booked. Yes. If you are stuck on how to price your services, comment below and I'll help you figure it out. Remember I told you at the beginning of this video that I have an insider tip to earn more. Yes. So here are the tips you should not miss. This is a very useful tip. To make more money as a tutor, you need to stand out, and here is how. 1. Offer trial lessons. Yes, most platforms let you offer discounted first lessons. This builds trust with students and gets you reviews quickly. This first step, don't miss it. Number 2, teach niche topics. Okay, teaching Yoruba for travelers or Pidgin for beginners make your profile unique and attract specific students. But if you're like you put it out there that you just teach Igbo, you teach Yoruba, it just makes you less likely to get students quickly. But when you teach niche topics, it makes you unique. Okay, and then people would come to you for that purpose. Now, the third thing you should do is to upsell packages. Yes, so after a few lessons, you can offer discounted bonuses or discounted bundles, like get 10 lessons for $100. This guarantees consistent income, right? This is the third secret. The fourth one is to learn basic marketing. Share your profile link on social media or WhatsApp groups, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. You'll be surprised how many people would support you. Share it with people. Word of mouth too can also help. Okay? Do not miss out on this tip. I know you'd be wondering, does this work? Does this work? Here is proof. A friend in Lagos started teaching Hausa on the italki for $10 an hour, and in 3 months she had regular students from the UK and earned over $1,200. Now she's planning to create a YouTube channel teaching basics for free and driving even more students to her profile. Yes, it's real. Another guy in Abuja made $500 in his first month teaching Pidgin. He started with no experience, just his phone, Zoom, and a willingness to try. That is what you should have. Don't feel like, all these things people are telling you how to make money, they are fake, they don't work, they are not real, yada 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 yada. You have not tried it. Have the willingness to try. You have the skill. The fact that you know how to speak a language fluently is a money-making skill for you. Do not think that, you need to go to school, you need to do that. But you already know how to speak this language. You know how to speak Yoruba, you know how to speak Igbo, you know how to speak Hausa. There are people out there willing to pay to get taught. So are you ready to do the work? Do not expect that immediately you upload your profile or immediately you sign up to a platform, you start making millions of naira, or millions of dollars. No, of course not. You build your profile. Take these steps I have mentioned on this video and start making money. So there you have it, step-by-step guide to earning in dollars by teaching languages. The best part, you can do it from your home with just your phone and internet. Okay, now I want to hear from you. What language do you love to teach? Drop it in the comments. Let's talk about how to get started. If you found this video helpful, hit the button. It helps more people discover this video. Okay, and do not forget to subscribe, because in my next video I'm sharing how to market yourself as a tutor to attract students faster. You do not want to miss it. Thank you for watching, guys.